the first number that came up was Dr. Cornel West. So we got on the phone, I called him, we got on the phone, started talking about back in the day, old funky times, and even all the way back to James Brown days and all of that. We just, like we knew each other from years and years and years. And so then I asked him, I said, I'm doing this record and I want to see if you could get on it. He said, anything for the funk. I was like, oh man. So I immediately sent the funk ship to pick him up and bring him to the boot cave. So once he got to the boot cave, I said, man, it was so exciting. I mean, I didn't really know what to say because, here I am, with very little of that kind of intelligence, and here Dr. West is coming down for the funk. And I'm like, man, okay, this is gonna really be happening. So, but what surprised me the most was Dr. West, when he came in the studio, he had no books, he had no papers, he had no tape recorder, no iPads, not anything you would think of that would be currently used today to take notes. That kind of shocked me, I'm like, oh man, how did he remember all that stuff? So I was like the cat, I was like, Dr. Cornel reminded me when we used to go in the studio back in the day and we had nothing. We just went in the studio and ideas would just come. And we didn't have nothing to write them down on, no tape recorders. And I guess we get spoiled. What it is you get spoiled.